How to recover the forgotten Gmail password. If you have an email account and you have forgotten the password to that very account, in this video I'm going to teach you how to recover that very forgotten password. Always bear in mind that all my tutorials are for educational purpose.
Click on your Google Play Store, head over to your profile icon, click on it.
So it will take you to this interface. Then the next thing which you need to do is to head over to this Google account. Now click on it for me. It will take you to this interface. Okay, swipe to this end like this until security will be revealed like this. Now click on that very security. Okay, so help me share this video for others to benefit from it. A lot of persons out there has forgotten the password to their Gmail account. Most of them has already abandoned that very Gmail account. Okay, with this method you are going to recover your Gmail password. Now once you get to this place, swipe upward, okay, and head over to this very place, password. This is where you will recover that very password that you have forgotten, the password to your Gmail account only. Now click on it. Sometimes it may require you to enter your PIN or password which you always use to unlock your screen or your fingerprint. You kindly go ahead to enter the PIN and then click on continue. It will land you to this very place. This is what you will do. Kindly head over to first one and enter the new password which you know that you will never forget, and make sure that you write it somewhere, as in a diary where you will never forget it and where you will always fall back to it to see the password. Okay, now once you write the new password here, come over to this very place and then repeat the same password you put in a new password. That is, confirm the new password. Once you are done doing all those things, now head over to this very box here. The moment you click on change password, that very new password that you entered here and confirmed it here will become your new password to your Gmail account. Help me share this video for others to benefit from it. Give me a follow if you have not done so. God bless you.